My name is Vinal Vikas-Chan, and I'm from Lambasa. There's another part in Fiji, that's Vanuatu, and Lambasa is there. And I come from there. I did my secondary in Lambasa, and then after that I came and did my tertiary in Corpus Christi Teachers College, and I stayed in Sevilla Hostel for 3 years. When I came to Suva, I had no place to stay, but then I contacted Father Simon, and then Father Simon and Brother Kaki from Sevilla Hostel. They helped me to stay there for 3 years without paying any fees or anything. They paid my school fees. They looked for my sponsors for my study, and after 3 years, that was last year, I graduated from Corpus, and now I'm teaching in St. Joseph Primary School here in Naililili, Rewa. I'm the second eldest in my family, and actually my dad is a disabled person. My dad is a disabled person, and my mom is a bit mentally sick, and but right now all the 3 brothers, we are working and we now looking after our family, and I'm very grateful to missionaries of the Sacred Heart who went out of their way to help me, and I'm very grateful till now. MSC is always in my heart. Naka. Thank you very much.